Hello, my name is Dale Richards. I have in my hand here, Knowledge is Power Business Manual for Success. What's contained within this manual are my top 10 ways to 2 to 5 times revenue, profits, and value that I have used over the last 40 years in over 150 companies. I have also spoken on this topic over 400 times in 38 states and 7 countries. What I would like to share with you are 2 of the concepts of my top 10 ways that are in the book. The first one is the 80/20 Customer Gold program, which is trademarked, which is taking a reactive customer service program and converting it to a strategically designed proactive customer service program. Now, we then design this to interact with your customer, which provides 4 benefits. From this program alone, we've been able to achieve 20 to 200% increase in revenue. Another concept in the book is the productivity pyramid, which is also trademarked. It is goals, coaching, accountability, and rewards. When this program is implemented, it increases productivity of your team from 20 to 300%. Now think about it in your own company. If you could increase your productivity by 10%, what would it do for your capacity, lowering your costs, and increasing your profits? Now, I'd like to invite you to join our website to purchase the book at successbiznow.com. That's successbiznow.com. We also have 10 instructional videos that describe each of the 10 ways to 2x to 5x your revenue, profits, and value. Those will also be an opportunity on the website. Thank you for your time, and I wish you the best success as possible, and especially if you order the manual and the videos now. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.